Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post video comment replies on TikTok. So first of all, just open up the TikTok application. To post a video comment reply, first open a video you want to comment on. Let's say this one. Tap the comment icon, then find a comment you want to reply to. Tap and hold on it, and as you can see this option, reply with video. Tap on it, and now as you can see, record or upload your video as normal. The comment you are replying to will appear as a sticker overlay on your video. You can resize and move the sticker as you see fit. To have the sticker only appear on part of your video, tap it and select duration. Then use the slider below to select the start and end time of your video where you like to comment the sticker appear. Finish editing your video, then tap next. On the posting page, you will see replying to or answer to depending on whether the comment was posted as a regular comment or a question comment, along with the commenter's username. Once your video is posted, viewers can tap this part of your caption to view the comment on the original video. When you are done, go ahead and post your video comment on reply. Tap on this post. Yes, post video. Your reply video will appear on the comment sections of your original video as well as on your main TikTok page. That's all it takes to post a video comment replies on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.